Artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's transforming the way we live, work, and innovate. Artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's transforming the way we live, work, and innovate. From automating mundane tasks to solving complex problems, AI tools are empowering individuals and businesses to achieve more with less effort. Today, we're diving into the top 10 powerful AI tools that are leading this revolution. These tools leverage cutting-edge technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision to deliver incredible capabilities. Whether you're a developer, a business leader, or just an AI enthusiast, these tools can help you unlock new possibilities and stay ahead in the fast-evolving world of AI. Let's explore them. ChatGPT OpenAI. Introduction. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art conversational AI model developed by OpenAI. It can generate human-like text, answer questions, assist with coding, and even create content like stories or essays. Use cases: customer support, content creation, coding assistance, and education. TensorFlow, Google. Introduction. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning framework developed by Google. It is widely used for building and deploying AI models, including deep learning and neural networks. Use cases: image recognition, natural language processing, recommendation systems. PyTorch Meta. Introduction. PyTorch is an open-source machine learning library developed by Meta, formerly Facebook. It is known for its flexibility and ease of use, especially in research and development. Use cases: deep learning research, computer vision, NLP. Hugging Face Transformers. Introduction. Hugging Face provides a library of pre-trained NLP models like BERT, GPT, and T5. It simplifies the process of using and fine-tuning these models for various tasks. Use cases: sentiment analysis, text summarization, translation, question answering. IBM Watson. Introduction. IBM Watson is a suite of AI tools and services that include NLP, computer vision, and data analysis. It is widely used in enterprise applications. Use cases: healthcare diagnostics, customer service, business analytics. Microsoft Azure AI. Introduction. Azure AI is a cloud-based platform offering a wide range of AI services, including machine learning, cognitive services, and bot frameworks. Use cases: predictive analytics, speech recognition, computer vision. Amazon SageMaker. Introduction. SageMaker is a fully managed service by AWS that enables developers to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. Use cases: predictive maintenance, fraud detection, personalized recommendations. DataRobot. Introduction. DataRobot is an automated machine learning platform that simplifies the process of building and deploying AI models. Use cases: financial forecasting, healthcare analytics, marketing optimization. OpenAI Codex. Introduction. Codex is an AI model that powers GitHub Copilot. It can understand and generate code in multiple programming languages, making it a powerful tool for developers. Use cases: code generation, debugging, and automation. NVIDIA Deep Learning AI. Introduction. NVIDIA provides a suite of AI tools and frameworks optimized for GPU-accelerated computing. It is widely used in deep learning and computer vision applications. Use cases: autonomous vehicles, medical imaging, gaming. Bonus DeepSeek Chat. Introduction. DeepSeek Chat is an AI-powered conversational assistant designed for natural language understanding and generation. It can assist with tasks like content creation, coding, and data analysis. Use cases: customer support, education, and productivity enhancement. These AI tools are transforming industries by automating tasks, improving decision-making, and enabling new capabilities. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or business professional, these tools can help you harness the power of AI.